So guys, this just showed up in my inbox. This is an invitation to Alibaba.com's CoCreate 2026. I'm going with a bunch of people I know this year, and if you remember from last year, I was at both the Vegas and the London events. Got to do a lot, see a lot, talk to a lot of amazing people, including the actual president of Alibaba.com. And so in this video, I'm going to break down whether you should go, exactly what the cost is, and then also potentially at the end, how you can go for free. So if you're new here, CoCreate is Alibaba.com's flagship business and AI event. It takes place over 2 days with over 200 suppliers and over 15,000 buyers, sellers, and founders under one roof. And then programming includes keynotes, workshops, a massive startup pitch competition, and then also one-on-one matchmaking sessions, which are kind of like speed dating for business. So with that, you sit down with someone new, you have a focused one-on-one conversation, and you see if there's a potential opportunity there to work together. And the focus this year is what we talk about all the time on this channel. That's AI agents that do real work on your behalf. So it's about how AI agents are already materially helping businesses source products, optimize operations, and accelerate their growth. And their theme for 2026 is make it real. And so if you have a business, a product, something in mind, maybe this, I hope at least, is your sign to go out there in the real world and make it happen. Now, in terms of last year and what you pay, tickets range from $149 up to $999. Now, again, in a minute, we'll talk about how you can potentially get a free ticket. Last year, I paid about $200, I think $199 for a premium ticket. Lunch and food was included. Flights were about $600 round trip, and then hotels were about $500. So that's the number, the cost. It's not nothing. And then versus the cost side, let me walk you through the return side of that, or what I think is valuable if you want to decide whether to attend or not. I'd say category number one there is just actually finding suppliers, because you get to see these products and meet the suppliers and the business owners on the ground, and they're all in one place. So if you want to actually source a product for your audience as a creator, for your existing e-commerce business, or for a new business and a new product you might want to figure out how to sell or solve the marketing side of, then this is an efficient way to do that without spending all that money to go to China and visit those suppliers over there in person. The floor itself covers virtually every industry you can think of. No, you're not going to find everything there. It's a few hundred suppliers, but those suppliers each have multiple products, and net it is a lot for you to source from. But like when I say each of these suppliers has multiple products, that can range up into the dozens or hundreds. And this isn't just from China. We're talking Korea, Italy, Japan, all over Asia. These are basically just the factories that do power a significant volume of the products on Alibaba.com. Then category two is just what I learned through the programming. There were a lot of talks, a lot of pretty incredible speakers as well. What I recommend is don't just listen on the big stage to the talks, but actually go to the fireside chats, the breakout rooms, because then you get a more kind of intimate feel and more specific actionable knowledge from the more focused sessions versus the big stage, a little bit more general talk. And so, for example, if you look at this year's US programming, you have things like an Agentic business lab that takes you from an idea to a product to a fully agentic business. Again, that's a lot about what we talk on this channel. And then there's also sessions like, is a 30-day product possible? When will the first billion-dollar one-person business arrive? And then how did we become an agentic business? So again, the whole theme is AI and agentic business ops and growth and ideation. So if that's something you're interested in, again, I highly recommend finding and going to those breakout sessions, fireside chats, etc. And then third and finally, it's the people. Again, I had the pleasure of meeting a lot of pretty incredible folks in London and Vegas. Now, we talked about suppliers already. I'd say the two other categories to think about are number one, other operators, and number two, investors. CoCreate has all of those people in the same environment. Other operators are just people to chat with and learn from. There are a lot of people, I'm talking thousands of people like that there. And then also real investors writing very real checks. I think I've told you guys the story of Harrison before. This is a guy that DM'd me like 4 or 5 years ago. I got to meet him in person finally a few years later at CoCreate, and then he walked away with $100,000. This is real, you can Google it, from investors to go grow his business. And I think he was 15 when he got that investment. And overall, CoCreate is bigger and better this year. I think it's been bigger and better every year that they've done it, at least to date. And the theme, again, is Agentic AI and business ops. So it's exciting. There's more of everything. It's a very relevant theme. And that absolutely, for me, makes it worth the investment. And for you, that's up for you to decide. I have a little suspicion that for a lot of you, it does check those return boxes. With that in mind, what about the free passes? So what CoCreate does is each year they give away a limited number of completely free passes that you can apply for. It costs nothing to apply. These things do go really, really fast. And if you get them, worst case, you spend a few days around some really awesome operators and founders and investors. Best case, that materially changes the trajectory of your business. So go comment CoCreate in the comment section if you want the link to that. Generally, you can learn more by just Googling Alibaba.com CoCreate. And I hope to see you there in person at any of the CoCreate events in 2026. I'm looking forward. We're going to have a lot of fun, and I'll see you there.